I love you. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you too.
I
love you too. Oh my God.
I'm working. We can't go right now. I have like an hour and a half left of work. Can you wait that long? And then we can go. I know you want to go right now, but we can't do that. I'm sorry.
Olivia, what are you doing? You only have your learner's permit. You can't drive alone. Ham came too, Dad. What? Ham, are you okay? He's fine. I'm scared. What? Oh, wuss. Olivia.
What? What? Yeah, they look good. But why'd you have to clean them? What? Whose?
Mom, poop where? I guess we could go for a walk on the trail to poop. Bunny want poop now? Or are you asking where I poop? Oh my God. Mom poop in here. Mom poop over here. Mom poop here.
You know we're out of bacon, right? Well, I was at the grocery store today, and I saw some, but I didn't... Yeah, well, I didn't buy any. I didn't, I'm sorry. No, I love you. Skya, come on.
Can I get an ow ow?
Ow, ow.
Can you give me an hour, hour? Good job.
Hey Kylo, can I tell you something? You know how we have this quarantine? And we've been working from home? Well, I have some bad news. We have to go back. I know.
What's your name? Yes! That is your name!
Hey, Pen, what does a cow sound like?
Moo.
Yeah, okay. What does a duck sound like?
Quack, quack.
Oh, yeah, nailed that one.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, what do I sound like?
Like this?
Wait, what?
Wait, you haven't heard Diesel tell his mom off today? We need to change that right now.
You're so sassy.
Hey Evie, so yesterday I was with Marissa and we went outside to go potty and I asked her if she wanted to go to work with me.
Casp, you know the cat that you blamed for digging the garden?
Yeah.
You're talking about the one from next door?
Yeah.
You mean Bruce the cat?
Yeah.
But what if he comes and scratches your head? Like this?
It's quite nice.
But I have heard...
What?
That Bruce has seen the video and he's not happy.
What?
Well, you tried to blame him for the garden.
But...
What, did you think he was going to be pleased that you blamed him?
No.
Maybe you could ask the viewers for advice.
Okay. Help.
Voy a hablar en inglés. Ajá. Hello. Hello. How are you?
No, you're... Tata, you're not getting the lizard. Lizard. All done. I know you want the lizard. I know, but you can't have him. All done. No lizard.
Hababa. Hababadagada. Hababadadaba. Hatabadagadaga. Hatada. Hababa. Hababadagadaga. Ba. Ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba.
I'd like to buy an owl. We don't sell owls. Someone told me you did. Who? I just fucking heard one.
Luna poo poo outside? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Hi.
Love you.
Bye, Mom. How long is Mom getting gone?
Like 4 minutes.
Dad, will you take me for another walk? That's not how Mom does it. Okay, Dad, go fish.
I thought you were playing solitaire.
Ah, where's solitaire? Are we going to lay outside in the hammock? I think it's nap time. This is not how Mom eats her lunch. Hey, Kaiser, do you want to come play solitaire with me? Mom usually lays out here with me. That's not how Mom does it. It's outside time now, so we have to go outside until pretty much dinner time. Dad, you're supposed to cut your watermelon now. Dad, what are you working on?
Oh, nothing. I'm just searching for something.
Right. Did not how Mom cuts a watermelon. I'm so excited you're home. I'm so excited. Hey.
Talk to me, damn it, or else I'm gonna throw you in the fire.
Mira, gringa, puta, te he dicho 1000 veces que yo no hablo inglés, puñeta. I don't speak English. Me cago en tu madre ve cara de Donald Trump.
But you could get her pregnant. You understand that? You're not ready to be a daddy. Buddy, we can't handle that right now. I know you want to see her. I know that.
Hello, last week I brought a mouse in the house that was still alive and Mom and Dad could never find it, so they put mouse traps out. Well, last night I found it. While Mom and Dad were sleeping, I chased the little shit down, knocking a small dresser and lamp over. Somehow that did not wake Mom and Dad up, and I was so excited to show them my trophy mouse. I jumped in their bed and thought Mom would like to see it first, so I placed it on her pillow and started pawing her. Mom woke up and saw the mouse on her pillow. She did not react how I thought she would. She started screaming like an idiot and probably woke the entire neighborhood up. She always has to be so damn dramatic and ruin everything.
Hey, you. You're gorgeous. You're beautiful. You're amazing.
Okay, I'm coming. It's stuck, Dad! Olivia, that's a bra. Thanks, genius. Duh! You're too young to wear a bra. Give me that. Big girls wear them, Dad. Liv, I need support. You're not wearing bras and it's not even on right. My ears are big. Olivia. What? Dad? Gosh. Take it off. No!
If you want to get on the bed, you need to use your ramp. Don't talk back. No. Use your ramp. Use your ramp.
I know you're really upset. I can see the weather. You still have to go out. All doggies pee in the rain. Well, what are your options? Where else are you going to go to the bathroom? You really want to sit on the toilet? You know what? I think that's a great idea, but I'm going to record it because it would make a really funny TikTok video. I wasn't trying to be rude. I was just trying to be a little bit funny. Sorry, Petey.
Where? In the sink. But he's not a puppy anymore. Hammy, what are you doing? That's not the bathtub. You're too big for sink baths.
I know, Dad, but I fit.
You'll have so much room in there.
Doubtful, but I hate the tub.
What, baby boy? What do you need, my honey? Yeah, we're going to. I'm just eating breakfast right now. say that to you when you're eating your breakfast. You do sometimes. Well, what do you want to do today then? You want to walk with me? That is so sweet of you, my guy. You love me. I love you too, baby.
Polly, I love you. Love you.
Mama.
Yes? Mama?
Me first! It's my turn! Hammy, you got ready first last time. It's your sister's turn. I'm done! Done!
Oh, be quiet!
Yeah, right! You got ready first yesterday, Ham.
I have to poo!
He takes long!
There's no toilet paper!
Oh my god! Ham, I'm pissed!
Hey, Steve. Not now, Mango. I'm scheduling your appointment. What appointment? To get you neutered? What's neutered? Ooh, you're not gonna like this, but they're gonna remove your family jewels. Remove what? Your beanbags, Mango. You're kidding. Unfortunately not. Is this for all the desperate jokes? What? No. Steve, I'm sorry. Someone will eventually settle for you. That has nothing to do... Okay, listen. Neutering has many health benefits. Name one. It lowers your chances of prostate cancer. I'd rather get cancer. Oh, don't be so dramatic. What if I cut off your man marbles? Mango, that's different. How so? Because I still use mine. The only one touching them is the doctor telling you to cough. Okay, I'm gonna let that one slide, considering this must be tough news for you to swallow. You're an expert in swallowing, aren't you, Steve? You think that's funny? Oh, it's gonna be real funny when you lose your Jonas Brothers. Wait, Steve, no. Let's talk about this.